how to make NFT digital art. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a digital art NFT. So by the end of this video you will know how to do so, make sure to watch it until the very end. So let's get started. So first things first, as you can see over here, all of these amazing arts, they're all called NFTs, and NFT stands for non-fungible token. So I don't want to get too technical over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you basically create one. So the easiest form of NFTs that you can create right now is called a pixel art type of NFT. And if we scroll back up over here, as you can see this cat right here, this cat is an NFT. This is a pixel NFT, and you can easily create one yourself. Now, this is an animated one, so it's a little bit more technical and a little bit harder, but it's not that hard. But first things first, you can go ahead and create a very simple version of it. So let's go ahead and get started. And you can use a bunch of different tools as well. You can use Photoshop, you can use an online software. So in this video, I'm going to be using an online software which is called Pixel Art. Right here, as you can see, this is the artwork. This is the tool that I'm going to use to create amazing artworks, and I'm going to go ahead and quickly sign up. And the sign up process is very easy. Just simply click on login/sign up over here at the top left corner, or click on create an account over here in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and click on login/sign up, and over here all you have to do is enter in your email address, as you can see over here, and then just simply click on create an account, and then it'll ask you a bunch of different questions, basic questions like set up a password and stuff like that, and you can go ahead and do so now. Or you can just go ahead and sign up with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. It all depends on you. Now, I've already created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and sign in. Now, once you create an account or you signed in, this is how it will look like. This is going to be your dashboard right here. Now you're going to have a lot of things going on over here. So your home, your gallery, and then you have your comics over here. And then you have your challenges over here that can help you to, get better at drawings or stuff like that. Now, what we're here to do is we're here to create a small little NFT, right? A pixel art. So what we're going to do is first we're going to find an image that we want to, take a note of. So what I'll do is I'm going to go over here onto Google, and I've already selected this image right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply search for pixel art, then you're going to find your own image. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some inspiration from it and try to create one for ourselves. Now let's go ahead and do that. As I said before, I had already found this image that I would like to create. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and create one like this. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and download this image. And then once it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and go to this site called Resize. Go over to resizeimage.net. And over here, I'm just simply going to upload an image. All right, and I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna find the image that I just recently downloaded right here. Simply gonna click on upload. Boom, it's uploaded, and as you can see, it's 860 by 821. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna decrease it to, let's just say 100. Yeah, here we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on resize image, wait for a couple of seconds, then the image will be resized, and then we're gonna go ahead and download the image. All right, save it, see how it looks like. There we go, it's really small. We're good to go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to pixel art, and we're going to click on start drawing. Skip this right here, and over here what I want to do is I want to create the same canvas height and width that I just had for this one. So it's 160 x 153. So 160 153, here we go. Right, and now we can go ahead and click on new drawing, and now we just simply click on create new drawing. Okay, boom. I don't think it, okay, it works. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and bring and upload our image that we downloaded, which is this one. It's a smaller version, so we're just simply gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on file, and we're gonna click on new, and over here we're gonna click on open image and select the image that we want, and boom, there we go. So this is how it looks like. Now what we want to do is we want to add a layer, right? So this is the top layer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and increase the size of our pixel over here, of our pencil right here. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and keep a 6. And now I'm just simply going to go ahead and outline this one right here. Once it's outlined, we can go ahead and move on. Here we go. Then we just simply outline it. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline this image, all right? And once I'm done, I will catch you guys in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now. See you in a second. Okay, so as you can see, I've made the outline. Let me just show you. All right, here we go. As you can see, this is the outline. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good. I think I missed a few right about here. Okay, let me just lower it down real quick. I think I missed these two, but overall, I think everything looks good. It doesn't matter real. Yeah, all right. Everything looks good, right? Now what we can do is now we'll go ahead and fill it out. So let me just grab this tool real quick. All right, let me just first, 1 minute, sorry about that. I'm going to add a new layer and I'm going to move this layer down over here. And I'm going to add the gradient effect, or should I maybe add it like this, something? Yeah, then I'm going to choose the color and I'm going to go with the pink, go with the white, right? Where is the gradient? Okay, I'm just simply going to go ahead and add the gradient tool. I think something like this would look good, you know. 1 minute. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, let me start from here. Yeah, I think that looks really good. Okay, now let me just move it down a little bit to see. All right, okay, now I can't even see. So I have the effect now. Now what I'll do is I'll just simply copy this color. All right, let me just, where is the bucket tool? There we go. Okay, we have the color picker tool over here. There we go. Now I've picked the color. Now I'll just simply erase this and this, and I'll just take like the brush tool, right? And I don't want the brush tool, right? I'll change the brush to, what is it, the pencil? I'll choose the pencil. Yeah, actually, let me just add a new layer, and then on that I'll just put like this color real here. No, that's not what I wanted to do, but okay. I think I'll just go with the pencil tool and just map it out first on the sides, all right, that it doesn't leak. Then we'll just fill it in. There we go. This looks really good. See, that's what happens. I'll just do it like this, and then I'll erase it from the sides real quick. Just take the eraser tool. As you can see, now we'll just erase from the side. There we go. As you can see, it looks pretty nice now. Now, let me just take this one and put it over here. See how it looks. Next thing what we need to do is we need to add like this yellowish type cone. So we'll just take this color and we'll pick it. Then we'll drag the layer back down, right? We'll disable the layer. Oh, there we go. And now we'll just go ahead and start to paint. There we go. Oh, that's a little bit leakage over there, but that don't mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this color out. Gonna, you know, outline it, and I'll create it exactly the same. Then I'm gonna go with the eyes, and then I'm gonna go with the mouth and do the exact same thing as you can see over here. And then when it's finally done, I will show it to you how it looks like. So as you can see, this is how it looks like after, you know, coloring and making the layers. Now what we'll do is, let me just show you how it looks like. So this was the original, and as you can see, not really much difference. As you can see, this is how you do it. Now we'll just go ahead and delete this one, and boom, we have these layers in front of us. Now let's go ahead and save the project, or save the drawing, you know, save the drawing as pixel. Then you can name the file. I'll just call it Coney, because it's a ice cream cone, so I think Coney's a nice name. So, but before I do save that, I would like to, you know, go ahead and resize the canvas to its original. So the original canvas was 860 by 821. So let's go ahead and we'll resize the content as well. 860 by 821. I can't seem to, I guess I have to do it like this because I can't really type it. So I guess I'll just go ahead and do it like this, the old-fashioned way. 860 by 821. So we'll go with 660 by 620. We'll click on resize, and boom, there we go. Now that we have resized the image, it's even bigger now. So it's more pixels, meaning it's much more clearer. So let's go ahead and save the drawing now. We'll call it Pony and cute ice cream cone. Yeah, now we'll just go ahead and save drawing and give it a few seconds. There you go. I've downloaded it, and we'll just go ahead and save it. I don't know if it's saved already, so let me just go ahead and click on my profile real quick. Okay, so I can't really go there as well, but I think I've already downloaded it. So once it's downloaded, let's go ahead and see it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Looks really nice, really good. And that's how you basically create your very own pixel art NFT. So after doing this, after with a little bit of more practice, you'll get your own creativity. You'll be able to create much more amazing NFTs, and then you can upload them onto OpenSeas or Rarible or any other NFT marketplace. Then you are good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.